Hello and welcome to this virtual open house of Mr. Ziegler's health class. You'll see that I'm on a 8th grade health class right now, but this video will also serve for all of my 7th grade health classes as well. So the first thing that students are required to do for health is to log on to a Zoom meeting. So if you check out our Schoology page, you'll see the first thing posted every day is an assignment for the Zoom meeting. So students meet today, 9:25 at 12:45. These students are day 3-4 students PM, and that is 7th period. Again, this is 8th grade health, but others 7th grade would just have a different time and date that they are meeting. So when you click on this, it opens up the assignment, and then they click on the link inside and it takes them right to the Zoom meeting. In the Zoom meeting, we will take attendance. After taking attendance, I'll begin instruction where I start sharing my screen like I am right now, instructing students to come to the to-do folder. So this week they had class on 9:25 and 9:30. So on the 25th, what were the assignments? When they click on it, first thing you will see is a video of instruction. So if students have trouble getting onto Zoom, they come to class late, they have trouble with getting kicked off of Zoom, if I'm just simply going too fast or things are confusing and they want to watch something again or slow down the pace, they can use this video of instruction for class to do that. So in the class, I would be instructing, you'd see a video like this where the first assignments may be an anticipatory set, like a discussion post here, where students have to click, read what the question is, and then make a discussion post. After that, to give students time to get on, then I would start the instruction for the day. So maybe it is a PowerPoint presentation. So I would take the students through the PowerPoint presentation on Zoom, and then eventually I would show them what the assessment of whatever they were to learn that day was. So this was SMART goals. So a Google assignment on the students page will look slightly different. It'll say assignment, and then here it'll say my document. When they click on my document, it would open up the Google Doc for the assignment. So this one, students had to fill in identifying what part of SMART was missing and then rewrite the goal to match a SMART goal. So there were 5 questions here. And again, that assignment was graded at the end of the class period. So the way that I organize things is I have students get onto Zoom, go over the instruction, then I put everyone into their own individual breakout room for the remainder of the class period. They have their video off, their microphone off. I am there as a tool to help them. They can invite me to the breakout room if they're having issue. I can explain instruction if the video is not working for them. But then students are instructed to, again, come here, 9:30, go in, video, instruction. Eventually there's something that they have to submit. So if the student goes in and they complete the assignment, I will grade it on Schoology. If they see that it's graded, then they can go ahead and log off of Zoom, or I will possibly jump into the breakout room, ask them how their day went, how the assignment was, and then let them know that they can get off. So once they are finished with the assignment, they don't have to sit there in front of their computer. They can just leave the volume on and wait for me, or come back and periodically check to see that their assignment has been graded before they log off. But again, please don't have them sitting in front of the computer the entire class period. So if a student is not in class, or they missed something, or something is late, you'll notice the finished or past due folder.
Something went wrong.
So the class met on the 9th and the 11th before. So if you click on that, you'll see the course expectations and technology information is what we went over on day 1. Then we did some example lessons on the 2nd day. So coming back to our courses homepage, last 2 helpful things are right here. The final folder is videos of instruction. So as you saw on each class, there is a video of instruction for the day. But after the class is over, I compile all of them into this one folder here, so you don't have to click through folder after folder to find a video. So if students just click here, they'll see first day, 2nd day, also after the first cycle, coming back and finding access to missing work. And to end, final helpful thing is over here on the right hand side. So notice anything that students have to complete for that day will show up in the calendar. So they had the Zoom meeting, they had to do the anticipatory set question, and they also had to turn in the final assignment. So if there are any questions about the course, how things run, please just email me at mziegler@wcasd.net.